Case studies. There are many case studies of ecological systems and processes that can be studied in detail. Some case studies are: number one, Yellowstone National Park wolf reintroduction. In the 1990s, wolves were reintroduced into Yellowstone National Park after being absent from the park for nearly 70 years. This led to cascade of ecological effects as wolves help to control population of elk and other herbivores, which in turn lead to changes in vegetation, songbird population, and even the behavior of rivers. Number 2, coral reef bleaching. Coral reef bleaching are complex ecosystems that are home to a variety of marine life. However, these ecosystems are under threat from range of human activities, including climate change and pollution. One major threat to coral reefs is coral bleaching, which occurs when corals expel the symbiotic algae that provide them with food and color. This can be caused by warming oceans, pollution, or other stressors and can have devastating effects on the entire ecosystem. Number 3, oil spills. Oil spills can have serious ecological consequences as they can contaminate waterways and harm wildlife. One notable example is the Deepwater Horizon oil spill, which occurred in the Gulf of Mexico 2010. This spill released millions of barrels of oil into the ocean, leading to the death of thousands of marine animals and long-term ecological damage to the Gulf Coast region. Number 4, forest fire. Forest fires are a natural part of many ecosystems, but they can also have serious ecological and social consequences. One example is the 2019 to 2020 Australian bushfire season, which burnt estimated 18.6 million hectares of land, destroyed thousands of homes, and led to death of billions of animals. Number 5, ecological restoration. Ecological restoration involves the process of repairing or rebuilding ecosystems that have been damaged by human activities. One example is the restoration of wetland of international importance in the Danube Delta, which are heavily degraded by agriculture practices and human development. Restoration efforts have induced measures to reduce pollution, restore wetland habitat, and reintroduce native species. These case studies demonstrate the complexity and interconnectedness of ecological systems as well as the importance of understanding and managing these systems in a sustainable and responsible way. By studying these systems and processes in detail, ecologists gain insights into how they function and how they can be managed to promote conservation and sustainability.